Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. Today, we are going to be talking about 17 toxic plants that you should not plant in your backyard if you have young children or pets that may nibble. Number 1, I'm sorry to say, is the lily family. While beautiful, lilies are poisonous from the flower to the bulb and everywhere in between. Even the pollen is poisonous. While most children are not going to eat the leaves, if your dog enjoys digging up the bulbs, you may want to consider not planting them. Lilies are so toxic that even the water surrounding them is poisonous. So if you like to use cut flowers in your home and your cat drinks the water, it can take as little as 3 days for your cat to develop kidney failure. Number 2, lily hybrids. It's not just the lilies that are poisonous, but lily hybrids too. Think calla lily. Number 3, tulips. I think you are getting the idea. Any plant in the lily family is poisonous. You may be wondering about those edible members. And you are right. They are not poisonous to humans, but to our animals, they are. Number 4 on our list is onions. Number 5 is garlic. Number 6, chives. Number 7, shallots. These lily edibles will affect dogs and cats in different ways. While cats will develop kidney failure, even by licking the pollen off their paws, dogs will develop gastrointestinal upset. Some hybrids, such as lily of the valley, can cause organ and heart failure. If children accidentally ingest lilies, their symptoms may include vomiting, diarrhea, loss of appetite, lethargy, and dehydration. In some cases, if not treated, can lead to death. Number 8 from the plantain family is another beautiful flowering plant, the foxglove. It is toxic to both animals and humans. Foxgloves grow throughout Europe and in zones 4 or 8 in the U.S. The leaves, stems, flowers, and seeds are all poisonous. When ingested by animals, they will affect the heart. Foxgloves will also affect a human's heart. Other symptoms include nausea, diarrhea, hallucinations, headache, and vomiting. Number 9, hydrangeas. Hydrangeas are common flowering plants. They are versatile and can be found as focal points or stand alone in garden beds. They can climb a trellis or be pruned to be trees. Unfortunately, these beautiful plants are toxic to both humans and animals. Number 10, azaleas. These flowering plants are native to Asia, Europe, and North America. Their blooms come in a variety of pinks, purples, reds, and whites. While they are amazing to look at, they are poisonous to both animals and humans. Both azaleas and hydrangeas are rhododendrons. Not all rhododendrons are poisonous, but these two contain a large number of grayonotoxins. These toxins affect both the cardiovascular and respiratory systems. Symptoms include a burning sensation in the mouth, muscular weakness, loss of balance, low blood pressure, coma, and sometimes death. Number 11, the oleander is a beautiful addition to any yard. Not only does it make a vibrant addition to your flower beds, but it works beautifully as a privacy hedge. It grows fairly quickly, between 1 to 2 feet per year. It will most likely come back after a freeze and is heat tolerant. With flowers ranging from yellow to deep pinks and whites, it is no wonder why it is a backyard favorite. However, if you have animals or kids that like to chew on everything, you may want to think again because oleanders are toxic. They contain 10 cardiac glycosides that will cause irregular heart rates and can be fatal. Number 12, hemlock grows wild in North America, Europe, and Western Asia. Its fern-like leaves and delicate white flowers look almost like an umbrella. It may look beautiful, but it is so toxic to both animals and humans that ingesting a small amount can be lethal. Some symptoms of hemlock poisoning include vomiting, diarrhea, stomach cramps, slow heart rate, tremors, coma, and death. Number 13, aconite. There are over 250 species of aconite, including monkshood, wolfsbane, blue rocket, and devil's helmet. Number 14, leopard's bane grows mainly in North America, Europe, and Asia. It is so poisonous to both animals and humans that ingesting 1 gram can cause respiratory paralysis or heart failure. Number 15, sago palms. All parts of sago palms are toxic, especially the seeds. Unfortunately, because dogs are attracted to their bright orange color, they are more prone to being poisoned. Number 16, aloe vera has many benefits for humans. It can be used topically on the skin for burns and cuts and is the active ingredient in many beauty products. It is also ingested to aid in digestion, help in weight loss, and even can be used as a mouthwash. We like to keep our aloe vera plants handy, but if animals eat it in large quantities, it is toxic. Death is rare in animals, but some side effects are vomiting, lethargy, diarrhea, and loss of appetite. Number 17, kalanchoe is also known as flaming Katy and widow's thrill. It is low-lying and blooms in delicate flowers of red, yellow, white, and even orange. It is a succulent and like the aloe vera plant. It can be used medically, but it is toxic to both children and animals. Some of the symptoms of kalanchoe poisoning are vomiting, diarrhea, and heart arrhythmias. When choosing plants for your backyard, don't just go by looks. Do a little research before bringing new plants into your home to ensure your children and animals stay safe. Educate your children about not eating unknown plants and keep your animals away from danger. While we all try to keep safe, accidents do happen, so know the symptoms of plant poisoning, such as vomiting, diarrhea, drooling, lethargy, difficulty breathing, seizures, loss of appetite, slowed pulse, and always keep the emergency number for poison control nearby. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.